What's up everyone? Today we're looking at MouseBase, an ergonomic solution to the Magix Mouse ultimate shortfall, so let's get into it. The box, it holds just two things, the MouseBase and a piece of paper that tells you how to get on the internet and look at the things you want to ask. The construction is well made and has small details such as these resting pads for moving it across the desk without having any jarring motions. The Magic Mouse rests in the plastic base with no attachments of any kind, which is kind of strange, to hold it down besides gravity. But it does give you a pleasant feeling in the hand when you use it. Here are the downfalls I found with the MouseBase. 1. It's not attaching the mouse so it falls out just like this. Second, those black pads, they're on the inside of the mouse, so you do get this rocking back and forth when you're sliding left or right. The last thing we have to talk about, and it's the elephant in the room, is the tracking. The tracking is severely compromised because of, guess what? These mirrors that you have to use to get the mouse in the nice ergonomic position, but causes the downfall of the mouse. Here you can see that I'm going side to side, nice, in control, straight line, and I can do figure eights, and it's all just fluid and natural to me. And I'm using this without the MouseBase as my control example. Now let's go ahead and add the MouseBase and see how it reacts. Immediately you can see that I cannot go all the way from side to side without having to go 3 times or sometimes 4. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and I almost got there in 4. One thing I did learn after using this for about an hour or so is I had to turn the track speed up on my mouse considerably. Doing this, I was able to get the movement about the same as what it would be without using the MouseBase. However, it comes at a shortfall of now I don't feel as precise and it has a little bit harder time clicking the close button or clicking icons on such things. I will say upping your track speed does fix the distance in which you have to move your mouse. However, it does come at a cost that you do lose a little bit of dexterity and you don't have as much control over the mouse as what you would use without it equipped. I really wanted to love this mouse. However, these shortfalls causes it to not be as enjoyable as what it should be. So with that, I'm afraid I'm probably going to have to go ahead and return it. So besides that, thanks for watching.